Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. Imagine this, you have just aced your class 12th exams. The world is at your feet and every path seems open. But what if I told you that this achievement could lead to something even more greater? Something that could set the course of your entire future. And what if your hard work, dedication, and excellence didn't just earn you recognition, but also could make your dream of becoming a chartered accountant much easier and more affordable? Here's an opportunity that many dream of, but only a few can claim. A secret that could change everything for you as you embark on your journey to become a CA. Curious yet? Well, let me unravel the mystery for you. But before that, if you are new to my channel, I request you to subscribe and hit the bell icon below so that you can get notified when I post new videos. So here's the deal. The Student Skills Enrichment Board of Studies Operations ICAI, is offering an incredible scholarship opportunity for meritorious students like you. If you have just secured one of the top two ranks in your class 12th board exams, regardless of your stream, you're in for something special. If you join the CA Foundation course within 1 year of passing your class 12th, the entire course fee for the foundation level could be refunded back to you. Yes, you heard that right. The course fee will be returned in 6 equal installments just by submitting a prescribed declaration. This scholarship isn't just a reward, it's a financial boost that can lift a significant burden off your shoulders, allowing you to focus entirely on your CA journey. Think about it. Your journey towards becoming a chartered accountant could start without the worry of foundation course fees, simply because you excelled in your board exams. But there's a catch. You need to act quickly. You have to enroll in the CA Foundation course within 1 year of passing your class 12th to be eligible. So, if you have got the ranks, don't let this golden opportunity slip away. This scholarship is a way of recognizing your potential and giving you the head start you deserve. So, are you ready to take the leap and make the most of your hard earned success? The path to becoming a CA is challenging, but with this scholarship, the road just got a little easier. If you found this information helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to stay updated on more opportunities like this. Let's turn your academic excellence into professional success.